10-minute card challenge? Say what? Hi guys, I have a fun video for you today. We're doing a 10-minute card challenge. This is part of Courtney's card making hop group. So welcome to the 10-minute card challenge video hop. So the links will be down below so you can check out all the other videos of crafters doing this crazy challenge. So we have 10 minutes on the clock. First, I'm going to let you know what I'm doing before I press start. So I'm using the brand new release from Not Too Shabby. I just released this yesterday. So it's the first time I am playing with the stamp set. It is called Tea Time Buddies. Isn't it super cute? So I'm going to use the little mouse and the sentiment that says, "To my best tea." Get it? Super, super fun. So I have all my card panels cut out. So I'm going to glue that together first and then I'll do the Copic coloring because I think that will take me the longest. So, alright, shall we press start? So if you like doing hops on YouTube or blog hops even, Courtney's card making hop Facebook group. Check it out. Okay, so let's do this. Got all my panels here. I'm going to use liquid glue. I think that's going to be the fastest. Okay, let's press start. Here we go. So let's add some glue to the back of our panel here. Okay, easy enough, right? Let's get that centered. That's why I like using the liquid glue. Gives you some wiggle room there. Okay, now let's do our next panel. And it's just cut a 1/4 inch smaller. I just picked out some fun colors. And now our scallop panel. And I'll put my Misty on top to do the stamping. That way it'll flatten it out. Okay. So I'm using Memento Tuxedo black ink here. Alright, let's do this. 8 minutes. Counting down. And my Misty is wobbly because I have the card underneath. I hope my paper didn't move. Yikes. Alright. Okay, great. Alright. That's gonna go there, so let's get to coloring. I picked out my colors here. We got some grays, some teal, pink. I'll start with my mouse. I'm going to do W5. Let me zoom in a little bit. Get the timer in the shot there. All right. We can do this, right? It is super hard to color when you are on a crunch like this. My hand feels stiff and shaky. This is pretty fun though. W3. Just working my way down to my lightest color. Do a little gray mouse. And now W1. And I forgot to do the tail. Oh no. So that means I have to go back with all the colors. W0. All right, let's give that tail some color. Oh my gosh, almost 5 minutes. I thought about cutting out my image, but there's no way. There is no way that would be happening. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm getting nervous now. Going out of the lines. Okay, come on. You can do this. Okay, forget about shading at this point. Forget about the shading. Come on. All right. My hands are stiff. Really stiff. Okay, come on. It's like I can't move my hands. Oh my god, they hurt. They're getting so stiff. Come on, you can do this. Breathe. Just breathe. Come on. Okay, I'm going over those dots. I'll just color right over them with the orange. Oh, my hand. It hurts. Okay, let's do the scallops in orange. I got R22 to fill that in. Oh my gosh, 3 minutes. Oh my gosh. This is not as easy as it looks. When you have the timer on, this is hard. And my coloring looks crazy. Get my white Jelly Roll pen out. The highlights make it better. I'm gonna try to remember not to smear my highlights by putting my hand like that. I always do that. Okay. Let's put this on, and then if I want to add any more details. Come on. Two minutes. You can do this. Oh, shoot. I totally smeared the white eyes. the highlights on his eyes. Oh man. Now he looks like he has ghost eyes. Okay, so it needs a shadow underneath, but I don't know. I'm probably going to ruin it. Just a little baby one. I don't even know what kind of paper I'm coloring on. I took the paper from my scraps. I don't even think this is Copic paper because it's not really working like it normally does. It's bleeding. So I think it wasn't Copic paper because this does not normally happen to me. See, it's bleeding out outside the lines. Okay, I think I did it. There is my card, 31 seconds left. I can even get some sparkle pen out. Let's see, where's my sparkle pen? Do some shimmering. See, everything's bleeding. Huh. Wonder what paper I used. Maybe it was Bristol? No, I don't know. Okay, there we go, guys. So thank you for joining me today on this crazy video. Below will be the next person on the hop. Enjoy! Bye, guys!